How to convert picture to Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel, then log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Data, which is located on top, beside Formulas and Reviews. Click on Data, then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Picture to Excel, which is located on left side of your screen on top. You can add picture from file or from clipboard. Simply click on Add, and data from picture is analyzing. After you're done, you'll find these options: Insert Data or Review. You can simply review, and if there is any mistake, simply correct it. After that, simply click on Insert Data. First, you need to review it, then click on Insert Anyway or simply click on Insert. Then your picture will be turned into Excel. As you can see, it is turned into Excel. That's how you convert picture to Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.